Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the Apple Watch Series 7. So this is the GSM model, so this is directly connected to the network, so I'm not using my phone at all. So it's directly taking the voice from this watch and then sending it to another phone. So another phone is actually recording the entire conversation. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and see how good the microphone sound of the Series 7 is going to be. So let's go ahead, start with the test. Now the first test is just in the studio itself. So I'm in the studio, no sound around me except for the fan which is going on. So a little bit of wind would be hitting on this. So this is the kind of sound that you can expect in a studio environment or a house, inside your house where there's not much of sound. Now let's go out, do the rest of the test and then see how good this is going to perform. Let's go. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike and you're picking up a phone call. So don't do this. You will not be able to hear properly. So you will have to keep doing this like that and then keep talking. But then I use it for emergency purpose when I'm not wearing any earbud. This comes in handy. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're riding the bike and there's a lot of wind and background sound. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So we are we are outside Seasons Mall with 70 water fountains. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the water sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am in front of Seasons Mall and I'm in Nora Mall. So a lot of traffic here. Hopefully you can hear me well and my sound is audible enough. Okay, so we're testing the Apple Watch in the food mall. It's Friday night, a lot of people. So I'm not switching on the second camera because of privacy issues. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when there are a lot of people around and a lot of sound from the machines, from the TVs, the music systems. There are a lot of sound, mixed sounds over here. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So whatever scenario I took it in, it actually performed quite good. Even though it does not have a noise cancelling secondary mic, it was able to take my sound pretty clearly. So it depends on how you're speaking. Like right now, I'm outside, I'm in the food mall. So there's a lot of sound around me, but you'll be able to hear me clearly because I'm actually facing the mic right here next to my mouth. So the mic is over here next to the crown, the button over here, and the speaker is on the other side. So when you're speaking to someone, so you're speaking like this, the speaker gives the sound to your ears and the mic picks up the sound from here. So it's quite clear. Now the only problem that I found was the wind sound. So wind, when there's a lot of wind hitting it, you won't be able to hear me. The sound went down, got muffled, and you'll get a little bit of wind sound. Now that's a common thing with most of the devices. Wind sound is a big problem. Now, hopefully this video was helpful enough. If you need any further assistance or you want any further queries to be answered, you can go ahead and contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.